Hello everyone, my name is Persh and welcome back in another video on Just to Tech YouTube channel. So today I came up with a new video with a new method to bypass iCloud activation lock on iOS 12 and iOS 13. And this method is compatible with Windows machine as well as Mac OS. So it's a complete tool for both operating system. You can easily bypass it in just 10 seconds. I will show you the complete procedure. You have to follow this video carefully, and it supports iPhone 5s to iPhone X and other iPad models that are supported by Checkra1n jailbreak. So basically all the devices that are supported by Checkra1n jailbreak is the devices supported by this bypass tool. And one more good thing about this bypass tool is it doesn't delete any kind of baseband data from your device, so no battery drain issue. Now let's jump to the computer screen without wasting time. Let's start the process. Alright, this tool came from the Tenorshare and the name of the tool is 4ME Key. It's a tool for bypassing iCloud activation lock on iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch that are supported by the Checkra1n jailbreak. So all the iOS version like 12.3 to the 13.6, 13.6.1, even 13.7 is also supported. And all the links are in description for the free trial. You can download from there, so check the description link for complete information. So now let's try this tool. You have to download the tool from the description link and you have to open the installer and install it normally. It will install automatically on your system. You have to just follow the instruction on the screen. After that, just click on finish and it will launch the tool. So all the things are written on the tool. First you have to jailbreak your device with the Checkra1n jailbreak, and I have made so many videos on Windows method for Checkra1n jailbreak. So all that videos are in description link, so you can go watch that video from there and download this ISO file for Checkra1n jailbreak. Now you need a USB to make it bootable. So just open the Rufus tool and make the USB bootable. You have to just import the Checkra1n ISO file in Rufus tool and insert your USB stick and just flash in, and it will make the USB bootable. And then you have to just reboot your PC and boot it from that USB, and it will run the Checkra1n automatically on your system. Now the bootable process is completed. Just close everything and just restart your system, and you have to go to your boot options and you have to select your USB stick and boot it from. Just select your USB. After that, Checkra1n will automatically run. Now just connect your device with a cable. After that, if you are on 13.6, 13.6.1 or 13.7, you have to allow the first option, that is untested iOS version, and for iOS 12.4.8 you can proceed directly or you can allow that. After that, just follow the instruction on the screen. First you have to put your device into recovery mode and then DFU mode, and it will start jailbreak your device. If you got any error or stuck issue, you can watch my Checkra1n jailbreak error video. I will give the link of that video too. So after the jailbreak, you have to just quit the Checkra1n app and disconnect your cable and reboot your PC. Now once the jailbreak is completed, you don't have to reboot your iPhone or iPad. If you do reboot, you have to jailbreak it again because Checkra1n is semi-tether, so you don't have to reboot your device. Just quit the Checkra1n app and type the reboot on terminal and unplug your USB. After that, get back to the Windows machine for bypass. Now we are done with the jailbreak part. Just open the tool again. I'm still on activation lock screen because it's just a jailbreak. We have to bypass also. So just open the Tenorshare 4 ME key. Now you have to just connect your device and click on next button, and it will first detect your device and show the device information, iOS version, serial number and the other things. After that you have to just click on bypass. So it's a terms and condition, you can just read for your safety. After that just click on start bypass, and it will just take 5 to 10 seconds to bypass your device. It's a fast and the easy tool. No need to install anything, just jailbreak your device and connect with the tool and bypass it. You can do the same process on the Mac also. And the devices that are running on 12.3 to the 12.4.8 get directly to the home screen after the first respring. And if you are on iOS 13, after the bypass you have to activate again device to skip the activation lock. So now the bypass is completed, and now your device will get a respring and it will bypass completely. So just wait for your device to respawn. Don't disconnect your device in the whole process. Now the respring is started. Now as you can see, your device is bypassed successfully. Now everything will work like a normal device. Let me show you from the settings that iCloud is completely bypassed. And you can use the App Store and the other things. So all the things that are working are written on the website, so you can visit the website for complete information of this tool. And App Store is also working, so you can download your apps from the App Store. And there is no battery drain issue because this app doesn't delete any kind of baseband data. And camera is also working, so you can try this tool and bypass easily any iPhone or iPad that are compatible with the checkra1n jailbreak. So this is how you can bypass iCloud activation lock on iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch. So this is all for the Tenorshare 4 ME key. So if you are interested in this tool, you can check out all buying option of this tool. For my viewers, I'm giving 30% off on this product. So go check out the description link and apply the coupon code for the discount. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.